So I'm Andrew Mann. I'm a junior mechanical engineer at Liberty.
And I'm Jared Darius, a senior mechanical engineering student.
This is the Formula SAE project. It's a lot of schools around the U.S. do this. Virginia Tech, locally UVA does it, VCU. You got your Ivy League schools like MIT and then some schools out west. So it's a national competition where teams of student engineers will design and build an electric race car or an internal combustion race car and then compete. There's a competition in Lincoln, Nebraska that we will be going to, and some different locations across the U.S. where these schools will compete against each other and test their designs. So we got connected with some people over at Hendrick Motorsports and kind of approached them about helping us out, maybe on the technical side, just seeing what they could provide for us. They were impressed with us and wanted to help us out, so they provided a really great gift of these tools that we're now able to work on our car. We're able to weld, and yeah, it's really great what they were able to do for us. This prototype behind us, it's what we've been designing, working on since last fall. That's really when we started the design of this project. And we constructed this PVC prototype to give us sort of a size representation of what we're going to actually be building. Since this is the first year we've done this, we really had no idea what really the size of this project would be. We have our computer models to see that, but it's really hard to translate a computer model to an actual physical size.
It's one thing to zoom in and out on a CAD model where you can go from 10-meter view to a millimeter, but it's another to actually, see physically, this is where our tire is going to go, here's how long our control arms need to be to mount onto the chassis. And the frame is it's what holds everything together. It's the structure and heart of the vehicle. So having that as a three-dimensionalized visual representation, I can't even tell you how many times we've come in here with team members to talk physically of where things are going in the vehicle.
If you want to follow the progress, we have an Instagram account. And the username is LibertyFSAE, so you can give that a follow and stay up to date with what we're doing. So if you want to get involved, you can contact Jared or myself. Our email addresses will be provided.
And we can use skills from all over. You don't have to be an engineer if you're not interested necessarily in designing the vehicle or know all the math and physics behind that. We need some hands on deck once we get parts in for manufacturing, for welding, people who are good at working on cars and know that's too much grease or not enough. If people want to come and get their hands dirty, talk to us, grab an interview, we'll figure out where your interests are and see if you can help out.